Hey guys, and welcome to Glorious Day Adventures. So today we're going to install a 90-degree open road awning on my Ram pickup truck. I've got the Pioneer Platform from Rhino Rack, and I've already installed the brackets that come from OPENROAD on the rack. But to install it's going to be a two-person job, so Amy's going to help me install it. But you may be wondering, hey, why are you putting an awning on your pickup truck? So we've got a lot of travel planned over the next few months, and there's going to be some situations where we may not be at our camper, but we may need shade. And so having an awning on the pickup truck allows us to have shade pretty much anywhere we go. So with that said, I think we're going to put the camera down and put Amy to work. All right, well that was a super quick install. I mentioned I'd installed the brackets prior to this morning, but actually mounting the awning to the brackets was like 10 minutes. Super quick. Glad I had Amy helping. It's not super heavy, it's about 55 pounds, but it's kind of long. So, you know, maybe if you're a little younger and stronger than me, you could do it by yourself, but having an extra person definitely helps. So thank you, Amy. So we've not opened this yet. I've watched some other videos on YouTube about the OPENROAD 90-degree awning, so I kind of know what to expect. And I'm a guy, so I don't read directions. So we're going to open it for the first time and see what it looks like on the inside. All right, so the cover, good quality cover. Flip the top open here a little bit. There are 3 Velcro straps to keep it all in place. So these are the support legs. It is a freestanding awning, so you don't have to have legs to support it. But you know, if you know there's rough and windy weather coming, you can use these legs to support the awning as well. But we really want something also that could function kind of in a freestanding environment, and OPENROAD can do that. So, one more. Holy cow! I wanted something that I could open up on myself. I didn't realize it was going to open itself. That was amazing. Wow. It just literally sprung open. Talk about like self-assisted. So there is one bar here, and this bar will come across. It's fastened so you won't lose it. And you just tighten that up, and it gives you a nice freestanding rigid awning. That's amazing. So yeah, that's awesome. Oh, there are some Velcro straps here also, it looks like, maybe for strapping onto this cross bar just to kind of keep it all in place. And then in each corner there's a hole that you can put those poles that we just took out, and you can strap it down and use some tie or guidelines and some stakes. But construction is just like the 270 awning that we have on our small camper. It's a truss-based structure instead of just like tubular steel or whatever. It is made of aluminum. So yeah, really good build quality. Size is 78 inches wide, 78 inches deep. So about 42 square feet of actual coverage, which is like the perfect size for being on my Ram. Yeah, just really good quality. There are lights built in. If you have a USB battery bank, you can plug the lights into that battery bank, and they have various modes for different color temperatures. So at night you can have some light. And yeah, all in all, I would say it's fantastic. It's gonna fit the bill. And you may be asking, well, what is the bill? So I mentioned that Amy and I will be doing some traveling for a few months at a time. And while we're traveling, I'll be working. But we love to camp where it's shaded in the trees. And Starlink needs that clear line of sight for the best possible reception. So there's times where I'm gonna hop in the Ram and go find an open field, find some place that has good line of sight for Starlink, but I didn't want to work in the hot sun. And so this allows me to quickly, you saw how quick it was, really quickly deploy on the awning and sit in the shade, and I can work in the shade, beautiful breeze, and still have good Starlink reception. So yeah, this awning is really going to allow me to go anywhere I need to get reception and know that I'm not going to be baking in the sun while I'm working. So yeah, it's great. I love it. So visit OPENROAD's website. They have lots of other products besides awnings. And everything we've seen from them has been really high quality. Oh, I just noticed there's zippers on these little edges here. So I'm guessing maybe at some point there'll be an option for some walls or something to close it in. Yeah, that's cool. Didn't realize that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I know we're gonna enjoy the awning. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and have a glorious day.